Hi there, I'm going to show you how to make a bug hotel. You can build them any time of year using natural materials that you would find outside in your local woodland or forest.
We're on a mission to help our pollinators, and bug hotels provide a fantastic habitat for insects to nest to protect their numbers. Make sure you check out the link in the description to find out more on how you can make your own pollinator pledge. You will need a collection of old bricks or big rocks and some larger pieces of wood. We also have some old tiles, planks of wood, some straw or hay, some bark and some larger branches. Start by arranging the planks of wood into a frame, then another frame on top. Then place some of the longer branches across the top and fill in with some dried old leaves. This provides plenty of hidden spots for critters to hide in. A bit like a cake, you are now going to start layering your bug hotel. Fill in the gaps with straw or hay or leaf litter and then place the wooden planks on top to secure. The cavities in old bricks provide a great home for smaller insects. Make sure those gaps are free so they can crawl in and hide. The heavier bricks and rocks can then be placed on top with some of the twigs in between. Then it's time for another fill up of leaves. Next, take some more of the hay and place it on top. Using some of the tiles to secure it, place those on top to protect any insects that find their way into the hay. More leaves and bark can be added to provide extra coverage. The different layers will attract all sorts of insects as they'll all favour slightly different conditions. And there you have it, your very own bug hotel. As you can see, there are plenty of little gaps that insects can find their way into. Hopefully, it will soon be teeming with all sorts of life. Be sure to share pictures of your creations with us on social media.
Thank you for watching our video on how to make a bug hotel. If you liked it, please give us a like below. And also if you want to see more of our videos, please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, thanks, bye!